Okay, so this is a part 2 video of why you maybe can't save as different file formats. So making this thumbnail, I realized I cannot save again as other file formats, even though it's a very basic PSD. So I thought that's very strange. So after going down a rabbit hole, there's multiple reasons why you might not be able to do it. So one is you check the image mode, make sure it's RGB or CMYK. If it's anything else, say like indexed, you might not be able to do it. The other thing is to check that it's 8 bits, not 16-bit or 32-bit. That'll limit the amount of formats you can choose. So, but this one's down to file size issue, I guess. So the other solution is to save as copy. Now this is obviously what Adobe and Photoshop expect you to do now. It's like a new feature that's come into Photoshop recently. So now you have to take the extra step of going save as copy, and then you'll be able to choose all your whichever format you want to save it as. So I'll just save one out now. O2 part 2, whatever, part 2. So there you go, I can save it to do that. So there's extra steps there. Yeah, kind of redundant, creates more work, and then on top of it, you have to actually research online how to just do a basic thing like saving a file. So yeah, I think they'll probably revert this feature because it's a bit annoying. Well, there you go, that's how you fix it, guys. So thanks.